Okay, these portions of cortex between pyramids, they are called columns. Now, pyramid with pieces of cortex around all together, what is this? I ask you to bring books, because if you don't know, you look there. What is this? So, single pyramid with neighboring cortical tissue, lobe, renal lobe. Okay. Now, we have urine formation somewhere here, and then we adjust this fluid again and again, and it will be urine finally at the level of papilla. And then from here, urine will go to the first room for collection of urine. What is the name of this room? Minor calyx. Now we have, okay, here we have one minor calyx, 2, 3, and then they merge together. What is this? Major calyx. Now, and this portion of kidney, which is last room for urine within kidney, it's covered by blood vessels. It's here. Renal.
Renal artery and vein?
No.
Renal pelvis?
Renal pelvis. This is renal pelvis, and then we have ureter. Okay. Now, name blood vessels. What is this?
Artery.
Renal artery.
Okay, this is
Renal vein.
Renal vein. Renal artery.
Vein.
renal artery, then branch.
Oh.
What is this? Segmental artery, right? Tell me, what is there?
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
Here.
Give me the book. No, this is wrong place. Okay, here you have diagram, you
Okay.
have picture, and this.
Okay.
Okay, so first branch is called segmental artery. Take this. And then each segmental will give branches. This is one, this is two. What is the name of this branch?
The interlobar.
Interlobar. Now each interlobar give branch here, curved, and here. These curved branches, they are called,
Cortical.
no, not yet. Arcuate arteries. And from them, we have the last artery, this here, within cortex, and this is called cortical radiate artery. And from them, we have the beginning of arterioles, and we'll see them at high magnification. Okay, so papilla, minor calyx, major calyx, pelvis, and I think nothing more. And now we go and we look at this with microscope, and we see first structure, which is spherical structure. What is the name of the whole structure? Huh? No. Renal? Corpuscle. Now, what is the name of this part of corpuscle? What is this? Yeah. You take book, and you at least it will be helpful. It will help you to remember. I have book there. 3 books.
Convoluted tubules?
No. This is capsule. What is the name of this capsule? Okay, glomerular capsule. Now, what is this? This capillary bed which has spherical shape. What is this? What is this?
Arterioles?
Huh?
Afferent arteriole?
No. This is glomerulus. Well,
644.
give me this. Okay, so this is glomerulus and only this. So this is capillary bed. Blood will go into capillary bed within this blood vessel. This is arteriole, and the name of this arteriole? Afferent arteriole. And blood will go out from glomerulus within this arteriole, not arteriole. And name this of this arteriole? Afferent arteriole. Now, here we have cortical radiate arteries, and from them we have the beginning of afferent arteriole. So this will originate from cortical radiate artery. And therefore, you have to know that this is piece of cortical radiate artery. Okay? Now, here we have one more capillary bed, peritubular capillaries. Now, here we have filtration, and from here, fluid, which is called filtrate, will go to tubular portion of nephron. And the first portion, this is this. And the first portion, this is this. What is the name of this first portion, tubular portion of nephron? No, this is not distal, this is proximal, because it's close to glomerulus. So here we have proximal convoluted tubule, proximal convoluted tubule. And here we see nothing, just the beginning of this tubule, but we know that it should be, it must be proximal convoluted tubule. Okay? Now, this is corpuscle again, this is capsule, this is glomerulus, and this is afferent arteriole, this is efferent arteriole, and between them we have very initial portion of distal convoluted tubule. Okay? Now let's follow tubular portion. So from corpuscle, this fluid, now it's tubular fluid, will go to proximal convoluted tubule, then will go into this tubular structure. What is the name of this tubular structure? What is the name of this tubular structure? The whole structure. What is this? This is nephron loop. Now, from this portion of nephron loop, we have third part of tubular part of nephron. This is also convoluted, but it's called what? Distal convoluted. And this is the end of nephron. And from here, from distal, tubular fluid will go to these tubes, what they are called? Collecting ducts. And here we have this collecting duct, and the very last short portion of this tube is called papillary duct. Now, this is papillary duct. What is this?
It's not the renal papillary?
The minor palate.
Yeah, this is this. This is upper portion of minor calyx. Okay, what else? Okay, now pay attention that if you compare this nephron and this nephron, you see this is proximal convoluted tubule and then down. Here, this is proximal convoluted tubule, then down, and then up. You see, it's flipped. Okay? So pay attention. Here it's a little bit more complicated because this is proximal and distal. Here, proximal and distal. You see? Okay. Now, okay, what is this? What is the part of kidney tissue? Cortex. This part of kidney tissue. Now, this is what? Pyramid. And what is the name of this artery? Artery. arcuate artery. And from this arcuate we have 1, 2, name of these arteries, cortical radiate arteries. And from there we have the beginning of many afferent arterioles, and they go to individual corpuscles. Okay, so this is, I think this is it, yes. And all 4 will be in exam.